school, when we recite prayers from Mass anxiety, it teaches us the values that guide us in our daily life.
We made it through, together we shine. Our dreams are ahead, the future's mine. With love and faith, we'll see it through this victory.